Jack and Pip's Sink or Float Adventure. Hi, friends. Today, Jack and Pip are little scientists. They're going to play a fun game called Sink or Float. They walk over to a clear bowl of water on the table. First, Jack holds up a little rock. He asks, "Will this sink or float?" He thinks, "It might sink because it's heavy." Then Pip shows a cork and says, "I bet this will float since it's light." They make their predictions like real scientists making a guess. Now it's time to test. Jack drops the rock, and sploosh, it went straight to the bottom. It sank. Pip gently places the cork in the water, and plop, it stays on top. It floats. Jack and Pip cheer with excitement. Let's see why. Some things sink, like Jack's rock, because they are heavy or dense. Other things float, like Pip's cork, because they're light or filled with air. Density is just how tightly stuff is packed. Jack nods and Pip smiles, looking proud. You can try this at home or in class. Grab things like a spoon, a toy car, or a leaf. Predict first, then drop them in and watch. Some will sink, some will float. You're discovering science. This was our quick mini science moment, learning about buoyancy with Jack and Pip in just a couple of minutes. I'm so glad you joined us today. Keep exploring. See you next time at Happy Hearts Funhouse.